Chloe? Is that catnip? Oh, what's in there? Whoa! Whoa! She's fighting me! Chloe! Chloe! Oh, she's eating it! Stop it! Oh, she got the ball. There she goes. What is that? Are you guys gonna share? Grandma made that for you. What is that? Wow. That was supposed to be for Bella. You gonna share? You guys sharing the ball? Chloe's going crazy. Oh, you gonna share the ball? Bella! Chloe's the one that goes crazy over the catnip. How funny. What's that? Is she gonna share? Sophie's upstairs laying on her bed. She doesn't know this is here. You guys share.
Today we have a $50,000 purse up for grabs and 24
Oh, she passed it.
set on winning it. First, however, Johnny, they must face the bout of their lives on the biggest, baddest obstacle course ever assembled. Yeah, I like to call it.
Chloe's going crazy. Chloe! Chloe, that wasn't attractive. Dang, that Bella's got it.
And today they will get there by zip line. I try to make my entrances by zip line whenever possible.
It's funny, Chloe's the one that's most affected by the catnip.
Of our 24 sugar-coated contestants, only 12 will move on. Let's go down to the third member of our wipeout team, Joe Wagner. She's found your other club.
Oh, Bella's starting that.
Yeah, she's like, oh, what is this?
Nasty glove. Whose glove is this?
What is this?
Inside?
My bad. I'm doing this for all the ladies. Oh, watch out. Here I come, ladies. How sweet, John. He's doing it for all the ladies. Like his dad. Oh, yeah. For the ladies. Not exactly. This is self-proclaimed ladies, man. Harry Carter from Atlanta, Georgia. Joe found out he's looking for love in all sorts of places.
What are you gonna do with the money when you win?
I'm probably going to go ahead and get him my own work bride. So that's what I'm using money for. Look out, ladies. In any other country, I'm coming to get you. Piece of advice for you? Save your receipt. Trust me. Are you really a ladies' man if you have to buy a lady?
Bella's like, what's going on here?
That thing moves. Spring training is
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, slap bite.